Today we are at LX Factory. LX Factory is a trendy shopping and dining area situated in a redeveloped 19th century industrial site. Former textile warehouses and printing factories have been transformed into design offices, artist studios, and hipster stores with colorful street art plastered on the walls. Located under the April 25th Bridge, or the Ponte 25 de Abril, in the Alcântara area of western Lisbon, LX Factory is close to Belém and can be reached by trams or buses heading west from Cais do Sodré. Do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop of more awesome travel videos. Let's check this place out.
Yeah, I'm that old.
If you want it, I will get it for you. I feel like it's like awesome.
That's the best way, Coach, that's the best way for your peanut butter and jelly.
Mustache.
Superman! Nice. Nice! What? I know, I saw that.
So we're at Salamaria. So it is a traditional Portuguese sweet. They take butter cookies and chop it up and put it into the chocolate. And it's kind of like a fudge cookie thing, monstrosity. But it looks like salami, so they call it salam. But it's delicious. This place was made to look like a deli.
What flavor is that?
This one's fig and port wine. It's really good. So go get your canned
Sardinhas.
seafood. Do it, buy it, eat it. Now.
Yo quiero.
Eat. The razor clams are my favorite.
Bacalhau asado. Grilled bacalhau. Bacalhau asado. Róbalo. Frutas fumadas. Mexilhau fumado. Capturada. Salmão fumado. Smoked salmon. I found smoked salmon. Salmão fumado.
The LX Factory is a must-see place when you're in Lisbon. So many stores, restaurants, coffee shops, and bars to choose from. Let us know some of your favorite Portugal experiences in our comments section below. Thumbs if you like it, subscribe if you love it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.